Morning children. In the last class we have learnt about shapes tool. Today we are going to learn about text tool. Text tool. This tool is used to display text on the canvas. By using text tool we can type text on the canvas. To use this tool, select the text option from the selection tool section. Select font style on the selector panel. Increase or decrease the font size by clicking on the up arrow and down arrow. Select the color from the color palette. Click on the canvas and type the text and press enter key. Now I will show you children how to type the text by using text tool. Now you all know how to open TuxPaint window. Go to the tool section and select text tool. When you select the text, this box has been highlighted by blue color. Then go to this selector over here. Here in the selector you can see different kinds of handwritings. You can select whichever handwriting you want. You can select and select the color, and if you want to increase the size you can click on up arrow. If you want to decrease the size, click on down arrow. Now I want to increase the size, so I am increasing that. I am clicking on the up arrow button. Now put the mouse pointer wherever you want to type the text. Now I will start typing the text. T-H-E the. Now after typing you can see the text has been in small letters. Now I want in the capital letters. Now you can erase the text by using eraser tool. We can erase the text on the caps lock key, then start typing the text. Again go to text tool, select the text tool, put the mouse pointer wherever you want to type the text and start typing the text. The quick quick B-R-O-W and brown box. Enter. To come to next line, press enter key. Gemmed over the lazy. To come to next line, press enter key again. Lazy dog. By using text tool, we can type the text in this way. Now if you want to decrease the size also, click on down arrow so that you can decrease the size of the text. Now we'll learn about magic tool. Now we are going to learn about magic tool. Magic tool is used to apply special effects to an image. By using magic tool we can use special effects to an image. To use this tool, select the magic tool from the tool section. A list of stamps will be displayed in the selector panel as groups. Select the required stamp. Click on the canvas area where it has to be applied. Now I will show you children how to use stamp tool. Now here I want to erase the screen. By using eraser tool we can erase the screen. Now go to magic tool. By using magic tool we can give special effects to the image. Now here when you select magic tool you can see different kinds of options over here. Now we'll select grass. Now you can see grass over here children. Yes. Then select green color and press left mouse button to insert grass. In this way you can apply special effects to the image. Now you want to put some flowers in between the grass. Select flower button. Select red color. In between you can insert flowers also like this. Now you want to insert a rainbow. You can insert rainbow also. Rainbow. Select rainbow and slowly move the mouse pointer. You can see the rainbow colors. You can add special you can apply special effects to the image. Apply special effects to the image. Is that clear, children? To apply special effects, we must go to the magic tool. Select the magic tool. Here in the selector group, you can see a magic and different kinds of options. By clicking on down arrow, you can see the options. Whichever option you want, you can select and use it. The remaining part will continue in the next class.